Here I have HAIER V5 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Choose here power off. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Release both keys as soon as HAIER logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, Android system recovery pops up. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down again to choose yes, delete all user data and press power key to confirm it. Right now the phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. And as soon as Android system recovery pops up again on the screen, let's just simply use power key to reboot system now, and the phone is restarting and rebooting. Let's wait until the operation will be completed successfully. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start easily activate your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.